So basically, homegirl right here retails for about $250, okay? And it comes with a discount code on Amazon. This is an Amazon wig. Repeat, an Amazon wig. Therefore, you can get this in a day or two if you are a Prime member, okay? So anyway, this is what I ordered. I ordered one of the Unice Knots wigs because, let's be honest, they're easy to, customize because you don't have to customize them, and the packaging is cute and it comes with everything you need. Okay, so anyway, it comes bleached, already pre-colored, pre-highlighted. It comes with the bleached knots. It comes pre-plucked. It comes pre-cut. It's just ready for you to go. The only thing that I would suggest you do is wash your unit because it came from a warehouse brand. We do not wear those. Okay, anyway, I washed my wig, and this is what she looks like after I flat ironed her. So I put her on there, and honestly, the lace is looking good without makeup right now. Like, you see that, right? Am I the only one that see that? I know you have to see that. But anyway, I am going to go ahead and put makeup on this just to make sure that it is blending the way that it's supposed to blend with my skin. Look at it. Like, I like this wig because it's not too heavy with the highlights, but it's not too like sparse. It's the right amount, especially if you're a girly that don't like a lot of color or you're trying to get used to having color. This is a perfect wig for you, okay? So I'm going to use Ruby Kisses in the shade 16, and I'm going to put that all over the lace in the front, and I'm just going to make sure that it blends in with my makeup. I like Ruby Kisses because even without my makeup, me having makeup on, that color matches my skin tone perfectly. So you definitely have to find a nice makeup or a lace tint that matches your skin to the T, so you cannot get it clocked. Okay, as you can see, I zoomed in on it for you, girl. Like, she's cute. She's Milton. So for today's install, I'm going to use Red by Kiss adhesive spray. This is not a glue. This is a water-based product, meaning if you use water, this will come off. If you sweat, this will come off. So I'm telling you now, if you are a sweater or if you know you're about to go swimming, do not use this product, okay? Because this is not going to save you, okay? You need some real glue, okay? But if you are wearing this just for work or just to put on, like, because you know you're going to want to take your wig off at night, then this is the product for you, friend, all right? So I spray it. I lay the lace down. I let it get tacky. I lay the lace down. And then I blow dry it on cool until it dries all the way down. And then I didn't put any more makeup on the brush. I just used whatever makeup that was left on there, and I just patted it on there. And for this install, I tried something different. I did use edge control to do my baby hairs, and I think I actually like it, okay? Especially if you have dark hair. I wouldn't suggest edge control on like all blonde hair because of the fact that edge control is colored. But because it's black, and my hair is black, there's no problem. After my baby hairs are done, I was just trying to see if I wanted to do a half up, half down. I decided against that. And I'm just going to take my hot comb and my wax and just press out the front of my hairline just to make sure that it's laying as flat as possible and that there is no lifting on my lace and that everything is just sitting how it was. This is literally a 5-minute install if you just wearing it straight out the pack. If you're going to wash your hair and then styling it back, then it's going to take a little longer. But if not, just to install this, literally 5 minutes. So you can't even beat that. That's the reason why I rock with the Bye Knots wigs, okay? But anyway, let me know down below in the comment section, would you wear this wig? Like, is it for you? I think this is a summer ready wig, especially the little highlights that's in there. This wig is not too thick, it's not too thin, it's the perfect density. It's a 24-inch. I am a 22.5 in wig caps, and this wig fits me just right. So if your head is bigger than mine, then I would suggest you see if you could get a larger size. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them down below in the comment section. If you are interested in this wig or any products that I use in this video, it will be in the description box for you. And until next time, bye best friends.